How to fix the Windows 11 activation error 0xc004f074. Hey guys, and welcome back. Here are some of the steps that you can try to fix this activation error. So first of all, the first process is check and start the software protection service. For this, you have to search for services.msc on the search bar and click on yes for the privileges. Now that this is done, you have to navigate the services window and find software protection. Once you have found the software protection, you have to start it if it's not running. For that, right click, go to properties, then click on the start button, hit the apply button and then on OK. Now just restart the computer and the issue should be fixed. However, the other solution that you can opt for is running the system file checker. For this, you have to open command prompt and run it as administrator. Tap on yes for the administrator privileges. Now type in the command sfc/scan now. This command will scan for and repair all the corrupted system files on the device. This might take a while, but once completed, there's another command that you can paste or type in the same command prompt. The next command is dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health, and this should repair the Windows image. After this, restart your computer and your issue should be fixed. So that is up for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.